Your chest, the mirror muscle. The first thing people see when you walk in and the first muscle every guy trains. It is also the biggest pushing muscle you own. Every push in your life starts here, and most guys still build it with the worst rep of all time, halfway down. Elbows flared out like wings, rushing like the floor is on fire, and this is the part everyone gets wrong. Depth is the growth. Your chest grows from the deep stretch at the bottom of the rep, so cutting the rep in half does not cut your results in half, it deletes them. Chest to the floor, 3 seconds down, press away hard. Do you actually need to train it? Yes, it is the engine behind every push you own, and the math is simple. 10 deep push-ups a day is over 3,600 perfect reps a year. The best home version is feet elevated push-ups. Feet up on your bed or a chair, hands on the floor. The angle drives the work into your upper chest, the part that makes a chest look full in a shirt instead of flat. Can't do them yet? Do them flat. Same rules. New here, quick rules. 1 full movement, down and up. That is 1 rep. A group of reps, back to back. That is a set. Rest between sets, not between reps. Every number you see on screen today reads the same way. Sets first, then reps. That is all you need. Your abs. Everyone wants them. Almost nobody trains them right because for most guys, the six-pack is already there. It is in storage. Under a layer, your kitchen built. Here's the part nobody wants to hear. Your abs already fire in every push-up, every squat, every plank. They are the frame that holds your whole body stiff, but making them visible is a different job from making them strong. Crunches don't burn the layer on top. The kitchen does that. Training builds the blocks underneath, so there is something to see when the layer comes off. That is why thick, dense abs beat skinny abs every time. Do you actually need to train them? Twice a week is enough. The best home move, slow leg raises, flat on your back, legs straight, 3 seconds down. The slow lowering is the whole exercise. If your lower back lifts off the floor, bend your knees, same rules. Your biceps, the most famous muscle on your body and only 1/3 of your arm. Remember that number, it comes back later. The biceps has one job, bend the elbow. That is it, which is why training it is simple and why almost everyone still overcomplicates it. Arnold built his with curls, heavy, controlled, full curls. You do not need a dumbbell to copy him. You need weight in your hand, and a loaded backpack is weight. You can start tonight. Backpack curls. Pin your elbow to your ribs, curl slow, lower slower. The lowering is where the growth lives. Too easy? Add books. Do you actually need to train them? Yes, just not first and not most, because the bigger arm secret is the other 2/3. Next up, the muscle hiding right behind it. Your triceps, the other 2/3 of your arm. If you want bigger arms and you only train biceps, you are polishing the small piece. Here is what most people miss. The triceps is most of your arm size and it already works in every single push you do. Every push-up you did for your chest, your triceps press through all of them. So you do not need 10 exercises. You need one that locks it out. Lock out and squeeze at the top. The last part of the press is where the triceps takes over, and stopping early skips its best work. The move, diamond push-ups. Hands close, thumbs and fingers making a diamond, elbows tracking back, not out. Too hard, hands on a chair, same shape. Do you actually need them? They are your arm. Train the 2/3 like it is the star, because it is. Your shoulders, not one muscle. 3. A front part that pushes, a side part that makes you look wide, and a back part almost nobody even knows exists. Width lives here. The side part is the difference between a frame that fills a doorway and one that disappears in a hoodie without gaining a single pound anywhere else. And this is the part everyone gets wrong. Most guys only ever hit the front. Every push-up already feeds it. So the front grows, the other 2 sleep, and the result looks narrow no matter how big your chest gets. You need all 3. Pike push-ups for the front, hips high, head toward the floor, press, water bottle raises for the side, arms out to your sides, slow. Stop at shoulder height, 2 full bottles are plenty, and reverse flies for the back, bend forward flat, arms out wide, squeeze behind you. Do you need them? Nothing changes a silhouette faster than the side and the back waking up. Your back, the biggest muscle group of your upper body and the one you never see, which is exactly why most guys skip it. Don't. A shirt needs a frame, and what makes a shirt hang off your shoulders instead of your stomach is the 2 wings of muscle running down your sides. They pull. That is their whole life. Every pull toward you, every carry, every time you drag something heavy, that is back. Load the backpack again. Backpack rows, lean forward flat, pull the bag to your ribs, and squeeze your shoulder blades like you are cracking a walnut between them. Pause 1 second at the top. Lower, slow. That squeeze is the entire exercise. Skip it and your arms steal every rep. Do you actually need it? Skip it and you get the hunch. Shoulders rolled forward, chest caved in. Train it and you stand like someone who trains. Your forearms, sleeves end here. This is the muscle people actually see every day. Shaking hands, carrying bags, rolling up sleeves. Here is what most people miss. Your forearms grow from everything you grip, which means every row, every curl, every carry already trains them a little. But a little is not a lot. If you want forearms that fill a sleeve, give them one direct move. Towel twist. Roll up a towel, grab it with both hands, and twist in opposite directions like it owes you money. 20 seconds on, rest. Go again. Your grip gives out long before the towel does. Do you need them? A handshake is a first impression, and your grip is the first thing that quits in every other exercise. Strong hands make everything else stronger. Your lower back, the muscle you ignore until the one day you can't. It is not a show muscle. It is insurance. 2 ropes of muscle run up both sides of your spine, and their job is to keep you upright all day, every single day, and to cover for you every time you lift something the lazy way. Up to 80% of adults get lower back pain at some point in their lives. The difference between being in that number and watching it from outside is mostly whether these 2 ropes are strong. Superman's. Face down, arms forward, eyes on the floor so your neck stays in line. Lift your arms and legs off the floor, hold 2 seconds, come down slow, controlled, no jerking. It looks easy. It is not. Do you actually need it? Every heavy thing you ever pick up says yes. Train it before it makes you. Your glutes, the biggest single muscle on your body. Number 1, bigger than anything in your arms, your chest, your back. And this is the part everyone gets wrong. You sit on it all day so it forgets how to work. It goes quiet. And when your biggest engine goes quiet, something has to pick up the slack, so your lower back quietly covers for it. Rep after rep, day after day. That is where so much back trouble starts. A sleeping engine and an overworked spine. Wake it up. Single leg glute bridges on your back, 1 foot on the floor, drive your hips up and squeeze at the top like you are cracking that walnut again. 1 leg keeps it honest, 2 legs let the strong side cheat. Do you need them? They are the engine of your entire lower body. Everything below your waist runs through them. Your quads. Half your muscle is below your waist, and the front of your thighs is the biggest share of it. These 4 muscles straighten your knee, which means they carry you up every stair, out of every chair, through every step of every single day. Skip them and you are ignoring half your body. The move, split squats. 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, drop the back knee toward the floor, stand back up. Slow down. The slower you go, the more honest it gets. All the way down until the back knee almost touches. Can't balance yet? Hold the wall. It looks easy right up until rep 8. Do you need them? They carry everything you do standing up. Weak quads make every single day heavier than it needs to be. Your hamstrings, the backs of your thighs, your quads move you forward. These are the brakes. They slow your leg down every time it swings, every sprint, every sudden stop, and weak brakes are how knees pay the bill. Here is what most people miss. Almost everyone trained the front of their legs and never the back. That imbalance is exactly how pulled hamstrings and sore knees happen. Most muscle pulls on a sports field are hamstrings. Balance the leg. Towel leg curls. On your back on a smooth floor, heels on a towel, hips up, squeeze your glutes so your lower back does not take over, drag your heels toward you, then push them slowly back out. It is brutal. 8 good reps is a win. Too hard. Pull in with both legs and build from there. Do you need them? Weak breaks wreck knees first. Your calves. Here is the honest version. They are the slowest muscle on your body to grow. Half of it is genetics and no video changes that. Now the other half, they are also the cheapest muscle to train. No equipment, no setup. 30 seconds at a time, anywhere, there is a step. They already move your entire body weight, thousands of steps a day, which is exactly why they respond best to 2 things. The full stretch and slow reps. Calf raises on a stair, heels hanging off the edge, fingertips on the wall or the rail for balance, all the way down until you feel the stretch, all the way up onto your toes, 1 second pause at the top, slow beats, bouncy, every time. Do you actually need them? They are the easiest muscle to fit into your day, and skipping the easiest one is hard to defend, and that is every muscle you own. 12 muscles, 14 moves, 0 equipment. Screenshot this. This card is the entire map. Pick 3 muscles a day, rotate through the list, rest anything that is sore, and you will touch everything you own twice a week. Do not try to do all 12 today. That is how motivated people quit by Thursday. Pick the 3 you have never trained, you already know which ones they are, and start tonight. Which one have you never trained? Put it in the comments. I read all of them. Now go train it right.